Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. What do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis previously, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But a friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15 hours, 20 hours after I get it uploaded, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little bit different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to do that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll keep the chart as relevant for as long as possible. Now, very clearly, and I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, since the last video I did right around 24 hours ago, as of the upload of this video, the price has made a very, very, very impressive bounce to the upside. There's no doubt about it at all that the bears have made the appearance. Now the question going forward is, are the bulls going to remain, or is this just some sort of dead cat bounce, knee-jerk reaction? So that's really the main question going forward, and the best way to answer that is just first, let's get this update made, which is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see the MACD as support. So going into today, 6,800 was that area of resistance, but now this would definitely be a very important level of support, and it's going to help us answer the question, assuming we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So assuming we can agree on that logic, then yeah, 6,800, very important, because technically speaking, the price could still come all the way down here, but as long as the price stays above it and then works its way back upwards, well, at that point in time, you'd still have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision those as stair-steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair-steps still making progress in the upwards direction. So the first and really key question to ask yourself going forward is, where is the price at relative to 6,800? As long as you are answering the question, so let's just say you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from now, as long as you're answering the question that the price is still up above 6,800, then that implies that overall the chart still has the opportunity to build that higher stair step and show signs of progress. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is down around here, well, then at that point, the price is quite literally gone right back to where it was. And again, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with genuine power are not going to go back to where they were. They're going to show at least some sorts of signs of progress. And again, 6,800 is that quote-unquote sign of progress. So that's really in my opinion, at least the most important question that matters going forward. Sure, breaking more levels of resistance is always ideal. But in my opinion, top priority is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance right now. It's all about trying to maintain these gains and establish some higher bases here. So 6,800, definitely, like I said, the only main level that I'm going to talk about here, because to me, that's the only one that matters right now. A big move has happened, not just a question of can the price maintain the movement and start to show signs of progress. Let's see if the price can stay above 6,800 or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.